Hello, Aero 307489 students, Aerospace Engineering Labs. So as you know, because of the coronavirus, we're in a distance education mode. And for this course, since it's a lab, it's a little bit more difficult to run it. But this is just an informational session for us to see for me to inform you how things will go. And I also want you to pay attention closely to what I'm presenting today and how I'm presenting it. And if there's any problems on the receiving end of this information, please let me know ASAP about the sound quality, about the quality of the video and everything. So I just want to briefly show you the syllabus, the schedule of the course, the updated schedule. So as you can see, in this course, our first lab was this torsional dynamic plant. It was taught by Dr. Benedict. You guys did the experiments and you submitted the reports. The reports are graded. I'll find a way to give it back to you. The second lab that you also did was the bimetallic beam in the lab. The reports are submitted. All of you submitted your reports. I've received them. We're in the process of grading them. The third lab, and by the way, these two labs, just these two labs are the ones that have full report. The rest of the labs do not have a full report. As a part of the rest of the labs, you only need to submit a lab worksheet. The lab worksheet is individual, which means every student has to do it. And you are going to do it through eCampus. All our communications is through eCampus. I will not accept anything through email. So out of the 4 labs that are, the remaining 4 labs, you also did the DIC lecture. That is the DIC lab, that digital image correlation. That's the lab that you just did before the coronavirus was, before the outbreak of coronavirus. I have extended the deadline to submit the worksheets, but till Friday of next week. So till Friday of next week, you have time to submit this report. Then the next thing, so then after that, we have 3 more labs that are left. Again, all of them are just lab worksheets that are individual. There will be the beam vibration, low speed wind tunnel, and the shockwave lab. The dates of the lectures will be shared with you on these days. So the lectures for these labs will be recorded, and you will be given the recorded videos. If there are questions about that, email me, and we will find a way to either respond through email or basically go and have a live over the Zoom meeting. So, and the way we will run these labs is that on the same day that I'll share with you the lectures, I will also share with you a demonstration of the lab. It's a video of the lab. And in addition to the demonstration, I will share with your group a set of the raw data. If you pay close attention to the videos of the lectures and the demonstrations of the lab, you can make sense of the lab worksheet that you have to fill in. I will share with you the blank lab worksheet, the questions in which you have to, questions that you have to answer. And again, it has to be done individually. Lab worksheets are individual. So for each lab you have, given the circumstances, you only have 1 week to turn in the lab reports. So for instance, on this Monday, I will share with you the videos of the lecture and the lab and the raw data for beam vibration. On the next Monday, that's the deadline for you to submit your worksheet through eCampus. Please do not email. Email is out. You can email me with questions, but you cannot email me the assignments. Then on the next Monday, there's a low speed wind tunnel. You will see the videos of the lab and the lecture. A week later, you have to turn in the report. Then there will be the shockwave, and a week later is the report. Then we will have 2 weeks on design of experiments. So by the way, this is the last lab you will have in this course. After that, it's just the design of the experiments. So again, all our communications from this point on is either through Zoom, we have to schedule for it, or you can email me, and all the assignments are turned in through eCampus. Every time a video, I share with you a video, I will also post it on eCamp. I'll post an assignment announcement on eCampus. And for next week, the assignment is on this day. That's about DIC, and I have already shared that with eCampus. I understand it's not very convenient to do a lab course this way, but given the circumstances and the fact that safety is first concern, and has to be, this is the best we can do, and we're all trying to do our best. And by the way, the lectures for the beam vibration will be by Dr. Mobile Benedict, low speed wind tunnel by Dr. Ed White, and shockwave lecture by Dr. Nathan Tishner. So, so I look forward to sharing the videos with you, and I hope you will enjoy the videos. Thanks a lot, and see you next semester.